Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore canonical tags using Yoast SEO detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the SEO section in the left-hand menu. Select Search Appearance. Click on the Content Types tab. Find the content type you want to adjust, such as posts or pages. Locate the Canonical URL section. If the canonical tag is not set, you'll see an option to specify a custom URL. Input the preferred canonical URL for your content. Ensure that the URL is fully qualified, starting with http:// or https://. If you want to use the default setting, leave the box empty. Scroll down to the Save Changes button. Click Save Changes to apply your settings. Repeat this process for other content types if necessary. Next, go to your individual posts or pages. Open a post or page where you want to restore the canonical tag. Scroll down to the Yoast SEO meta box. Locate the Advanced tab within this box. Find the Canonical URL field. Input or review the canonical URL as needed. Ensure that it points to the preferred version of the page. Click the Update button to save your changes. Check the front end of the page to verify the canonical tag. Right-click on the page and select View Page Source. Search for rel equals canonical in the source code. Confirm that the canonical tag matches your input. Complete this process for all necessary pages and posts. After making changes site-wide, monitor your site's SEO performance. You have successfully restored canonical tags using Yoast SEO. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.